Today, I am reviewing HP Flagship 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are looking for a versatile, powerful, and highly portable laptop for both professional and personal use, the 2025 HP Flagship 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop is a device that truly stands out. This laptop is powered by the latest 13th Gen Intel 6-core i3-1315U processor, providing 6 cores with a combination of performance and efficiency cores, reaching speeds up to 4.4 GHz. This ensures that daily tasks such as document editing, web browsing, video conferencing, and even light creative work run smoothly without lag. With Intel UHD Graphics, the visuals are sharp and vibrant, making multimedia consumption and casual gaming a pleasing experience. Coupled with up to 32 GB of DDR4 RAM and a massive 1TB SSD, this laptop handles multitasking effortlessly, allowing multiple applications to run simultaneously with smooth performance. The 15.6-inch touchscreen display is not only responsive, but also features an anti-glare design, which is excellent for working long hours without straining your eyes. The touchscreen functionality makes navigation intuitive, allowing for easy swiping, tapping, pinching, and zooming, whether you are editing documents, browsing the web, or streaming content. Despite its powerful features, this HP laptop is incredibly lightweight at just 3.52 pounds and slim at 0.73 inches thick, making it highly portable for students, business professionals, and anyone constantly on the move. The battery life is impressive, providing up to 8 hours of usage on a single charge, so you can work or study without constantly worrying about finding a power outlet. Connectivity and communication are also top-notch on this HP laptop. It comes with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing you to connect to the internet and external devices seamlessly. The 720p HP TrueVision HD camera with a privacy shutter and dual-array microphones ensures crystal-clear video calls, whether it's for business meetings, online classes, or virtual gatherings. In terms of ports, you get versatile options including 2 USB-A 3.0 ports, 1 USB-C 3.0 port, and an HDMI 1.4b port, giving you the flexibility to connect external monitors, storage devices, and other peripherals with ease. One of the standout features of this laptop is its preloaded Windows 11 Pro operating system, which is designed to enhance productivity with a sleek interface, multitasking tools, and enterprise-grade security features. You have access to BitLocker encryption, remote desktop, and advanced device management, making it an ideal choice for business professionals who prioritize both performance and security. Additionally, HP has included AI Copilot features to help streamline your workflow, making repetitive tasks easier and allowing for a more efficient computing experience. The laptop also comes with essential accessories, enhancing its usability right out of the box. From its numeric keypad that aids in data entry to its versatile design suitable for students and professionals alike, the HP Flagship 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop is a complete package. It balances performance, portability, and functionality seamlessly, making it a reliable choice for anyone looking to invest in a modern laptop that can handle both work and play efficiently. With its sleek silver finish, lightweight build, and powerful hardware, this HP laptop is designed to meet the needs of today's multitaskers. Whether you are attending online classes, managing business projects, streaming content, or simply browsing the web, it offers a smooth, responsive, and enjoyable experience. Its combination of speed, storage, RAM, and cutting-edge features like touchscreen and AI enhancements ensures that you can get your work done faster and with greater ease, all while enjoying a premium computing experience in a portable form factor. This laptop is a perfect blend of style, performance, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for students, professionals, and casual users alike.